Hello and welcome to Zippo Lion's Den. This video I have something that I've been wanting to get for quite a while, and it just so happens I have 3 coming and this is the first one to show up, and it's kind of neat for me. It is a Zippo Time Tank pocket clock. That's the box, well, the outer box. From what I know, and if you know better, please correct me in the comments, these are customs done in Japan. And it looks like the original price is 10,000 yen. Didn't pay anywhere near that much for it. Has an interesting little design. US trad, the best quality with backlight. Come up to the fresh spirit. It is made out of a January 1996 Zippo. And what's cool about this is that it's a little clock inside. Currently not in working condition. It's also marked XII in American Spirit, stainless steel back. I don't know if it just needs to be wound up or whatever, but like I said, I didn't have one. This is my first one. They're designed to sit up like that, which I think is kind of cool. I got 2 more coming, so I'll be making videos of those when they arrive. One more coming off of eBay, which is where I got this one from, and one more coming from a fellow collector, of whom I'll reveal when that package comes. But yeah, I've been wanting one, and now I have 3. This is the first of the 3. Hopefully the other 2 still arrive. I think it's really sweet. Makes a nice little different addition to the collection. It says it's backlit. I don't know if that's a button that you press or what, because unless I get one of them translator pieces, everything's written in the instructions, except for the name of the item, in Japanese. I don't know if there's any other languages here besides Japanese. I don't speak or read or write any of them, so I have no clue. There's an on-off. Looks like there's 3 different styles, I'm guessing. I'm not sure which one this is. I'm sure I'll have it figured out by my next video. But like I said, it's a really cool little item. The box is big enough so you can have it partly open for display purposes, which is really cool. And the fact that I got one with the box is also really cool. The 3 of them that I got, that I'll have, like I said, 2 more coming yet. They'll all have the boxes. Only one other one will have the paper sleeve, cardboard sleeve for the box, and that's coming from a fellow collector who also has their own YouTube channel. And I'll reveal who that is when that package arrives. So please, if you will, hit the like button, subscribe. Anything you do will help this little channel grow. And I hope you enjoy this little Zippo item as much as I do. Thank you.